Welcome to my channel. Used transmission buying guide, automatic versus manual. 1. Understand your driving needs. If you drive in city traffic daily, go for automatic. For highways or more control, manual is better. 2. Check transmission type clearly. Always confirm whether the car is automatic or manual before buying. Don't rely only on the seller. 3. Test drive is must. Drive the car yourself. Check how smooth the gear shifts feel in both types. 4. Look for gear shifting issues. Automatic, no jerks or delay. Manual, smooth gear change, no grinding sound. 5. Check clutch condition. Manual. Press the clutch. If it feels too hard or slips, it may need replacement. 6. Inspect transmission fluid. Automatic. Fluid should be clean and red, not burnt smell or dark color. 7. Listen for unusual sounds. Any noise while shifting or driving can mean transmission problems. 8. Check service history. Regular servicing means better transmission life, very important for automatic cars. 9. Repair cost awareness. Automatic transmissions are usually more expensive to repair than manual ones. 10. Choose based on comfort versus control. Automatic, easy and comfortable. Manual, more control and cheaper maintenance. Thanks for watching.